Hi everyone, this is Emma Darcy, social media strategist and AI strategist and marketing consultant. So today I'm going to show you if you're specific prompts that you can use at ChatGPT. I'm really found it helpful as a business consultant and marketing consultant. So here I am in ChatGPT and I'm in ChatGPT 4. I want to find if I can get some guidance or a framework that can help me to create a social media strategy from scratch. That's not to say I haven't done it before, like many of you as well. However, I want to make sure that I'm covering off on all angles. Potentially, I don't want to go off searching for ones I've done previously. I want to have this framework and maybe compare it and add in different elements to ones I've done before and so on and so forth. So essentially, I'll go to the top left-hand corner, I'll go to where the little pencil is, I'll click on here. I've pre-set a question, which is a bit long actually, so you can make it shorter or longer, up to yourself. I'm going to copy and paste it in here. And basically, I'm telling ChatGPT that I'm saying you are an expert in strategy and social media management. So in other words, I'm telling ChatGPT that it is an expert in strategy and social media management. I'm just giving it context. You could, for any other question, say you're an expert in accounting, you're an expert in history, in art, whatever it might be, depending on the question you want to ask. You specialize in brand awareness, brand engagement, and brand growth. That's actually quite broad. You may need to narrow that down. And I suppose effectively what I'm trying to do is to show people that you may need to ask a series of questions, but also ChatGPT will come back and ask you questions, and you can encourage it to do so, because then you can ensure that your framework or whatever you're asking for is as good as it possibly can be. So then you have helped many people to develop social media strategies for their businesses. Your task is now to develop a social media strategy from scratch. And then I go on to say, to better understand what I want and need, you should always answer by including a question that helps you better understand the context and my needs. Did you understand? So sometimes it's, if you take nothing else from this little short tutorial, that you ask your question and then to ask ChatGPT, do they understand? And then they'll come back with questions. I've just hit enter. Hopefully that'll work in a couple of minutes. Second. For some reason it's not. So basically it's saying, yes, I understand. To develop a tailored social media strategy for your business, I'll need to gather some extra information from you. Let's start with a few key questions. So the nature of your business, what are the products or services you offer? Who's your target audience? What are your primary goals? And so on and so forth. So you just need to answer all these and it will be able to deliver a more specific social media strategy for you from scratch. This is just to help you to develop it. Most of you will have this together in any case, but if you don't, it's a great help and assistance to get you started in this particular area. You can use it for any particular question. And I have found it very helpful just to get a framework going. I would then continue on and use, strategies that I've used before. Again, it's very helpful, just as a framework and as a ticking exercise, ensuring that I have every element of a strategy that I could possibly have, because the time evolves and trends come up that maybe you'd forgotten about and so on and so forth. So therefore, this is an additional help to you. It's not, I wouldn't use ChatGPT purely for putting together a marketing strategy, in particular if it's for a client, because I feel, you need to add in a lot more than obviously what ChatGPT can give you. However, it's a very, very good starting point. Hope that helps. If you need any more help in relation to ChatGPT, just reach out. Thank you.